Here's the question. Can I recover a Google document, whether it's a sheet, a doc, a form, a slide, etc., etc.? Can I recover that after I've deleted it? I'm going to show you the answer and tell you the boundaries. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to select every single one of these documents, every one of them, all the way to the bottom. I've selected them all. Now watch what I do. I'm going to come over here to the trash can and hit remove. Boom, gone. Can I recover them? Yes. Can I recover them in any time frame? No. Look here, in my trash, there's all those documents. I can select every single one of these documents all the way to the end, get them all, and I can right here, where is it? Right click, I have to right click and restore. But I can only do that within the first 30 days of the individual files being deleted. So if I delete a file on January 1st, I need to recover that file before January 31st, 30 days. Because every day, Google looks at documents that are in the Google Google Drive trash. And if a file has been in there for 30 days, it goes away. If it's been deleted, you're not getting it back, with very few exceptions to the rule. There might be Google Workspace accounts that have systems to do document retention. But for most people, whether you're Google Workspace or free Gmail, if you delete it, you're not getting it back after 30 days. So look at your trash can, make sure you didn't delete something you didn't want to delete. And if you did delete something that you didn't want to delete, you better recover it before it gets emptied by the Google Drive janitorial team. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you to protect your Google Docs.